Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good. We are here with another recipe. It's a mushroom curry. For this, I have taken 2 packets of button mushrooms. Each packets contain approximately 200 grams of mushroom, 3 medium-sized potato, 1 medium-sized onion, 6 small-sized tomatoes, half of inch of ginger, 12 to 13 cloves of garlic and 5 to 6 green chilies. Now I have cut the potatoes into 4 equal halves. You can cut them into small cubes or however you want. Then slicing the onions very thinly as we are going to grind them and make a coarse paste out of it. Now I have taken the tomatoes. First I'll clean the seeds of the tomatoes as I prefer so. You need not have to clean them. Then cut it into slices. Now I'll slice the green chilies. Now I added ginger, garlic, onions and green chilies into a pestle and mortar and grind them into coarse paste. You can also use mixture grinder, but using pestle and mortar keeps the freshness of the ginger and the garlic intact, which enhances the flavor of the curry. Now I'll cut the mushroom. I'll cut the small mushroom into halves, whereas the bigger ones into 4 halves. Now before preparing the curry, firstly I'll fry the potatoes with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to the taste. Till it's 70% cooked and turns golden in color. Once cooked, take them out and keep it aside. Now to start preparing the curry, I'll heat up some oil in kadai. And then add the grinded paste and fry it till it turns aromatic. Now I'm adding in salt according to the taste and also half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and lastly half teaspoon of coriander powder. The coriander powder here, it's optional. Now I'll add a little bit of water so that it will not burn the powder masalas. Now we'll cook the masalas with the lid covered for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the masala has cooked. Then I'll add the tomatoes. Mix the tomatoes well with the masala. Again close the lid and cook the tomatoes till it become mushy. Once the tomatoes turns mushy, adding all the mushrooms and mixing it well with the prepared masala. Also adding in the fried potatoes and mixing it well again. Then close the lid, keep the flame in medium low and let it cook for 5 minutes. In between 5 minutes, I have checked on the mushroom. The mushroom has started releasing water. Stir it and close it again. Cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the water is completely dried up and the mushroom is also cooked, and so is the potato. The mushroom curry is ready, but if you want to have gravy, you can add some more water and cook it till you get your desired consistency. You can serve the mushroom curry with roti or rice. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to watch many more yummy recipe videos. Thank you. Bye.